you don't love me, you don't love.
Welcome back to the channel. So this is episode 2 of the G87 M2 build. Episode 1, we covered the complete Vorsteiner VRS build, and then also the Titan 7 TC5 wheels as well. So in episode 2, we're going to be jumping inside of the engine bay and performing a lot of power and then also aesthetic upgrades. So join us in the engine bay. We talk through what it looked like standard. First thing you're going to see when you pop open this bonnet is that this bonnet is going to be completely carbon fiber, so it's no longer going to be the Zandvoort blue, which is obviously going to look incredible. And then moving on to the engine bay, obviously there's a lot of plastic going on here. Customers opted for a lot of carbon fiber options. So he's going to go for the carbon fiber cooling shroud, which replaces this metal part here. He's also going to go for the carbon battery tray, which is just over there. Eventuri carbon engine cover, also the Eventuri carbon air intake. Also, we have a genuine BMW CSL engine brace going on. So the factory brace is this black color here, and the CSL brace has a lot more mounting points, so it's going to be a lot stiffer. And then to finish it off is going to be replacing this plastic charge air cooler manifold with a CSF charge air cooled manifold, and that's going to be color matched in the Zandvoort blue as well. That's hand painted. So it's going to be a complete transformation of the car. Let's get the car in the workshop. We'll see you inside. Okay, so we've got a lot going on underneath here. Pretty much everything possibly has been upgraded, so let's talk you through it. So starting off at the front end here, we've got the cooling shroud. So we supplied the customer with MHC cooling shroud here. Factory piece is quite an ugly plastic piece, so this lifts the aesthetic. We've then got the CSL brace as well on here. So this again lifts the aesthetic and then also is a bit stiffer. You can see the Eventuri engine cover on here as well, so replaces the factory plastic item. We then have the CSF charge cooler, which has been paint matched in the Zandvoort blue, so a body color match. Really makes this engine bay. And then of course we've got the Eventuri air intake across here, again replacing the ugly factory plastic item. And then the customer is also saying that the car feels like it's performing a little bit better. And then also most importantly, the sound as well is absolutely intoxicating with this particular intake. And of course, you can see the Vorsteiner VRS bonnet as well with exposed carbon underneath. So if you're looking for any of these products, you can head to our website where it's all listed in there, or also in the description as well. And then on the next episode, which is episode 3, we're going to be installing the motor and one-way coilovers with the front axle lift. So see you on that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.